welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you with me on a photo shoot / school project. The topic is diversity. So as you can see, I'm with T'Challa. Just kidding. I'm with James. He is my model for today and I'm really excited. I've been wanting to shoot with him for a while and it's actually my first time to do a photo shoot with someone of his skin color. I mean, it's kind of awesome right now, pushing the boundaries, learning about different kinds of people, you know, since the topic is about diversity. So right now we're gonna just do a warm-up before we do the actual photo shoot for my project. As usual,
let's do it.
Let's do it. Steps. I told you it's dancing. It's basically dancing. Now we're doing the official part of this photo shoot. You can see the shirts. This is the statement that we're going with. What do you feel about this?
It can relate to a lot of people.
Wonderful speech. Okay. I hope we get really good shots for you guys to see. Thank you, James, for joining me today. What did I learn today? Actually, I haven't shot with a male model in a while. It's really teaching me to find out new ways to pose male models because for me, sometimes it's much harder since I don't work with guys as often as I work with women. So it's kind of harder for me to find poses for guys that look good. James did a really good job and I'm so proud of him and I'm so happy that we did this kind of shoot. So I hope you guys learned something new today or get challenged to work with different types of people. If you want to get better, don't be picky. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and click the notification bell so you are notified every time I post a new video. Follow me on Instagram and if you like this video, like it, but if you don't, share it and maybe it'll help someone else. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!